In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a dynamic collection. The collection I'm going to create is a group of assets that contain frogs in New Hampshire. So from the Aprimo Content Workspace homepage, I will click the hamburger menu to open the side panel and then click on Collections. On the Collections page, I can click the three-dot icon to open a menu with the option to create a collection or a dynamic collection. So we'll click Create Dynamic Collection. So this gives us two options, Create Dynamic Collection or Open Advanced Search. These are explained in the text in this pop-up box here. So it reads, to create a dynamic collection, you can either start from an advanced search and from there select Create Dynamic Collection, or if you already know the search expression, you can enter it directly if you select Create Dynamic Collection. So let's start by doing this with advanced search. So I'm going to click Open Advanced Search. So advanced search brings me to the old UI, also known as the Power Workspace. So you may be familiar with this screen and this process from the Aprimo training. If you aren't, an advanced search is essentially a query. So you can query assets based on a wide variety of characteristics, including who uploaded them, so created by, when they were uploaded, created on, when they're modified, also content type, such as video or document, and a bunch of other ways, search expression, and field criterion. So for this collection, I want a dynamic collection of assets from the geographic location New Hampshire that are tagged with the topic frog. So I'm going to add a geographic location field criterion. So that will add the fields are TNC taxonomy fields. So I'm going to search for the taxonomy field geographic location, click on that and add it. Now I have to add the value in that field that I'm looking for. So the value I'm looking for is New Hampshire. So it's important here to make sure that you are selecting the value in the correct field. So in this case, I want the geographic location tag New Hampshire and not the business group tag New Hampshire. Okay, so now I need to add the topic tag frog. So I'm going to add another field criterion. And again, I'm going to type in the field I'm looking in, the taxonomy field, which is topic, and add that. And then the value is frog. Again, I want to make sure I'm in the right field. I can see topic is here in the tag string, so that would be the right value in the right field. So the topic is the field in our taxonomy, and frog would be the lowest level tag on that tag string. So now that I've added my two topic tags that I want to search for, I'm going to hit search to run the query. So here we can see my search results, my query results for for New Hampshire and frog. And to save this as a dynamic collection, I click on Save Search As and Dynamic Collection. So now I will give my dynamic collection a title. And here I can click Create and View or Create. If I click Create and View, that will bring us back to the new UI or the Content Workspace. So it'll create the dynamic collection and then we'll view it in that new UI. Or if I click Create, it will create the dynamic collection that will be visible in the new UI or the Content Workspace, but I'll remain in the Power Workspace where we are currently building this collection. So I'm going to click Create and View. Which is loading my dynamic collection in the new UI or the Content Workspace. So as we saw, this dynamic collection is the result of a saved search. It's basically a query that runs every time we open this folder. And so if assets are added to the Aprimo Dam that are tagged with the geographic location New Hampshire and the topic frog, they will automatically be in this folder. And so this collection may grow over time. One thing to note about dynamic collections is that they are only visible in the Content Workspace. So even though we created this dynamic collection in the Power Workspace using an advanced search, you cannot actually view it in the Power Workspace. You can only view it in the Content Workspace or the new UI.